Hello, dear viewers. My name is Alex Zelinsky, and today I want to tell you about the directions of biohacking science, the 10 directions of it. So let's start. Here's my presentation. Here's my mind map. So here is biohacking, right? And you may heard earlier that biohacking is like kind of a method of taking food supplements, vitamins, bioactive compounds, yes, practicing interval fasting, Wim Hof breathing, meditation, and as well as mindful sleep. A lot of guys associate weightlifting trainings as biohacking. And most people they think that there are 5, 10 the most important health key rules, and they bring 95% of result. And there is no need to go further. But in reality, biohacking has become more diverse in its areas. So let's start. I have put one in nutrition, but actually nutrition, sport and sleep, they are almost equal in in their power. So in nutrition, we talk about food, about beverages, about many diverse food, and also about food supplements. The topics are not the same because you can have a nice diet, but for some reason you are skeptical about supplements, like it's something unhealthy or no. But it's very important topics. VO2 Max training. Sport is not only heavy weights. You also need cardio, and you also need heat, which is abbreviation for high interval intensive interval training. And VO2 Max is an important metric of health, which predict a lot of diseases and actually describes our maximum oxygen intake during training. Sleep, a lot of ways there are to optimize your sleep, from taking melatonin to making stretching before sleep and so on. Longevity part of biohacking is like more specific, because this means that you are trying everything to live longer, don't die, as Bryan Johnson do. And there are some specific for longevity things, like taking some special drugs or making some gene therapies, maybe for live longer or something like that. But actually, everything that you do in nutrition, in VO2 Max, in sleep, it's gonna help you in longevity. Biohacking is also about analysis and biomarkers tracking. If you know what's going on in your different organs, you can control it, you can change it, you can compare it to other people or yourself in the past or in the future. Nootropics. Everyone wants to get smarter. Of course, it's better to have good genes and to try to pass the best genes to children via making nice pregnancy, but everyone we should look at the science of nootropics, as they can not just make you smarter but prevent Alzheimer in when you get older, because both omega, myelin, they make you smarter, but also they will prevent Alzheimer. It's proven. In health practices, of course, sport nutrition is also health practice. Health practice, I mean Wim Hof breath, meditation, all of this stuff, and also visiting sauna, making vacuum and nauri exercise for digestion, and so on. That's another thing, and it's also important not to forget that there are some special stuff. And of course, intermittent fasting is very important. Sexual health is a big topic because it's not only about sex, but as a process, but about sex hormones, which affects everything in your body in bigger or smaller amount. And if we talk about sexual health, we can Cialis goes to our mind. It's a drug for erection, but actually it makes your heart stronger and is used in longevity treatment. Also, biohacking is allied performance sport because if you have low health, you will not be the best. Yes. And mindfulness, it's your motivation, it's your ideas. We can include here such techniques as meditation and things like that. So it can be continued because there are so many synonyms of biohacking. There are a lot of interconnections between these topics. And for example, if I can give you a bonus, like we can write 11. That's mean health gadgets. Health gadgets. Yeah. Yes, I have been better to use, of course, something like text, but uh, it means that there are Xiaomi air purifier you can buy. They are such cool stuff as sauna blankets when you literally are in a blanket and it's warm up you to 90 100 degrees, which is almost like a thin sauna, which has a lot of health benefits. They are Terragun messengers. There are, of course, Apple watches which give you uh, a lot of tracking data about your heart, about HRV and things like that. So biohacking is quite diverse, and we should not treat it as just a healthy lifestyle. It's more complex, you know. Also, we can talk about how biohacking, functional medicines, preventive medicine help treat a certain disease like dry eye disease, for example, which I'm gonna talk about in the next video. And if you want to have the next video on this topic, for example, when I go to ChatGPT and ask it 100 examples of the hacking techniques with comments, you can leave a comment and I will do that because I have done this before and it gave quite interesting results. Yes.
Hi, here is a new atmosphere of the park, and I hope, I believe, my scheme will help you to start practice biohacking. I also ask you to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Bye.